Right here, put some seasoning here. The Montreal chicken seasoner. Add some of these. Parsley. Add some of that. Salt-free garlic, herb, and butter. And pour some of this in here. And top this like that. And stir. And pour some of this bad boy in here, the Korean barbecue sauce. Now put the rice. All right. And this is called grilled chicken breast, Skewers rotisserie seasoning with the barbecue flavor. The seasonings to go with it. Like I said, put some of this in here. Oh, that's out. And since I don't like to put a lot of salt on my food, this is good. Add a little bit more of that. And top it off with the Korean barbecue sauce, marinade sauce. Grilled chicken breast skewers, in case somebody want to know what I'm cooking. This is T-Bechilln. See you guys later. Y'all have a good day. Talk to you then.